Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing an easy recipe for salted egg cookies. These cookies are super addictive, sweet, slightly savory, and the texture is crunchy and crumbly. I also have a special guest today to help me with the cookies, so I hope you enjoyed this video.
Hello, my name is Lucas Ling. I'm 5.5 and I'm going to make some Chinese cookies.
That's very good, Lucas. Shall we start?
Yes!
Okay!
First, let's cook the salted egg yolks. Steam on high heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Then let it cool down to room temperature. Then mash it into smaller pieces.
Strong mash. Strong.
What are we going to do? We are going to mix the butter and the sugar
To make it into dough.
Yes, you're right.
And
Okay, Lucas, do you want to put the flour into the bowl?
yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Oh.
Yes? Yeah, you can pour the whole bowl inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have to use your hands. Oh, wow, that's good.
Next one.
Yeah, pour in the next one.
I made it like a fountain.
Yeah, and then the other one, the third one.
3, 2, 1.
Yes, and the last one.
3, 2, 1.
Oops, you can use your hands and.
Huh?
Oh, that's a good idea.
Making it loosen.
Yeah, oh, good. Okay. That's a nice way of cleaning it.
Because it's okay.
Okay.
Oh my, it's putting it.
Okay, do you want to put everything inside? Tap it in. I guess you put the salted egg into the bowl.
Just pour it.
Yeah, just pour it.
Pour all of it.
You've got every bit inside now?
Only 2 more.
Yeah, just use that. Just mix it. Hold the side of the bowl. Hold, yes. Okay, hold it and mix. Okay. Very good. Or shall I just pour it into another bowl so that it's easier? What?
Fried rice.
It looks like fried rice. Wow.
Okay, go.
Okay, let go.
Flat side.
I think it's done. See, it holds together quite well. Can you see? It's coming together as a dough. We shall not mix it any further. This is good enough. So I'm going to put this onto here.
What?
Okay.
How can you do that without cracking it?
I'm going to get the square. Okay, and then now I'm just going to fold it up.
I made it.
Yeah, very good. And then we're going to put this into the fridge, okay? Very good.
Place the dough into the fridge for 30 minutes.
On the paper, yeah. Sprinkle it a bit more.
So it won't stick. I'll just get it on my hand.
Okay. And then
Wait a
I'm just
second.
going to roll it on here so that it doesn't stick onto the rolling pin.
Flatten the dough to about half a centimeter thick.
Some
Okay,
more
because you want to use a cookie cutter and
Cookie
cut the shape. Which one do you want?
This one first.
Okay.
This one.
Yeah.
You do that one.
I do this one. Okay. To lift it up like that. So we scrape off the sides.
Oh,
and
I
these
remember
things.
that.
And
I remember
we
that.
have one cookie. If you use your hands, it might break. So we just use this one, okay? Anymore, just scoop the middle. Okay, do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, just scoop the middle.
Scoop the middle.
Wow, you have a perfect circle this time.
Take this.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna do
And then put it
that.
on the tray. Wow, we've got really nice salted egg cookies.
Please press the like and subscribe button to subscribe this channel.
Look at the camera and see. Is it good? Is it good?
It's good. Very yummy. Second favorite.
Mommy's favorite. Is it mommy's favorite?
My second favorite.
Your second favorite. What's your favorite?
It's very, very yummy.
Wow! Come on, eat some.
It's very, very yummy.
Thank you everyone for watching. Wishing you and your family Happy Chinese New Year. 祝大家新年快乐，身体健康，万事如意。